power of attorney, and he said, now do good and forbid evil. Now this is the second most important step, that you understand that you have a job to do, and that you have received the power of attorney from the Almighty Himself. You did not receive a power of attorney from your boss or your elder brother. You received the power of attorney from Allah. From Allah. So, one of these things is, what are you going to do with this power of attorney? Obviously, you're going to do good. Wikala, in Arabic, which means power of attorney, in which situation does it happen? It happens when you want to delegate, when you cannot. Or you delegate because you trust the other person, and he's in a space. Like, for example, you delegate to someone in Morocco, you say, please sell this land or buy this land for me because I'm here again. And you give him power of attorney. He needs to have two qualities. One, he's trustworthy, and the second one, he's capable. And in this case, Allah gave you a power of attorney, gave us a power of attorney. So it doesn't matter if you're 14, 16, or 86, you receive the power of attorney from Allah Himself, subhanAllah. So, what do you do with it? We keep on asking. And what does it mean about you if Allah gave you the power of attorney? It means what exactly about you? Is it really to be thanked by other humans, you think? Because this is the third most important point. Why do we do good and forbid evil? One of those reasons is to be thanked, is to look at and say, subhanAllah, he's a mu'min. Wow, look at him, let me take a picture with him. No, you're not Ronaldo. And we are not that nation. You do this because it's a relationship between you and Allah. And you thank Allah that He actually gave you permission and a power of attorney, delegated to you, made you trustworthy, so you can do good in this world. SubhanAllah. So the first one is the methodology, the second one is tawakol, and the third one, what does it say about you? And now we learn that we have to put intention. And here intention, the Sheikh explained it very well. You have two jars. If you fill a jar with water that you can drink, that's good intention and you just did the work. So you fill the jar. But if you fill another jar with sewage, but the purpose cannot be triggered. In both cases, you did work. You did equal work. But one has good intention, and it realizes good action and can be used for good, and the other one not. So be careful also when you're out there not to hurt anyone with your word. You know, we go out there and we think that we're pious and we're righteous and etc. And we forget that when Allah sent Moses to Pharaoh, He said to him, وَقُلْ لَهُ قَوْلًا لَيِّنًا, you know, speak to him softly. To Pharaoh. And you're trying to talk to your neighbor and your heart, or to your cousin that you love and want him to become more a believer, and you're becoming harder on him. So no, be careful what you say out there. So with the people, we have received the POA, the power of attorney. How great are we then? SubhanAllah, how great are you? You're great. You're really, really great. The Prophet and the companions, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, they opened the world, country by country, space by space, heart by heart. And how did they do this? They did it with tawakol. Now, we don't want to misunderstand tawakol. So tawakol on Allah means that you reach Jannah level. Okay? And I repeat, it doesn't matter your age. This is what I understood. It matters the state of your heart, the state of your mind. Islam is methodology, is understanding the unseen and the seen, and it requires execution and it requires exercise and doing things. So, here's a couple of contradictory examples. How about you count on yourself? You say, okay, you know, I'm a big guy, I have muscles, or I'm fast, I'm good. Or you count on your money. I'm rich, I have a bank account, I left some money in Jordan. Or you count on your friend that is like a minister, or he's the boss of the factory. Or you count on your university degree. You know what? You're going to be very disappointed. Because in this world you realize that it's not worth it. So what do you do? What do we call this situation? This is called shirk. And in Arabic, shirk means that you partner something with something. So sharik, sharika. So sharik is partner, sharika is company. And shirk means that you partner someone with Allah. When you do tawakul, you cannot tawakul on your height, you cannot tawakul on your speed, you cannot do tawakul on your big bank account, or your small bank account, or your daughter, or your son, or your father. You cannot do this. You cannot do tawakul. If you're in high school still, you cannot do tawakul on your popularity today, or the number of likes on your Instagram. You're going nowhere with that stuff. What you do tawakul on is you do tawakul on Allah. So iman here, if you're doing tawakul on yourself and the number of likes you get on Instagram, the iman is poisoned. Even a glass of milk with a little drop of petrol in it, no one's going to drink it. So the center of all of the